Today we are comparing two exponential numbers to determine which one is larger, 5 to the 24th power or 3 to the 36th power. We will find a common structural index to compare them. To compare these expressions, identify the greatest common factor between the exponents 24 and 36. The largest whole number that divides into both 24 and 36 is 12. Rewrite both exponents as a multiple of 12. 24 becomes 2 times 12, and 36 becomes 3 times 12. Apply the power of a power exponent rule to the first number, 5 to the 24th power. Replace the exponent 24 with 2 times 12, giving 5 raised to the power of 2 times 12. This is rewritten structurally as the quantity 5 squared, raised to the outer power of 12. Simplify the interior of the grouping. 5 squared equals 25. This reduces the first value to 25 to the 12th power. Apply the same power rule to the second number, 3 to the 36th power. Rewrite the exponent 36 as 3 times 12, giving 3 raised to the power of 3 times 12. This translates into the quantity 3 cubed, raised to the outer power of 12. Evaluate the interior of the second grouping. 3 cubed is equal to 27. This reduces the second term to 27 to the 12th power. Compare the two modified values, 25 to the 12th power against 27 to the 12th power. Because both numbers share the same exponent of 12, compare the base numbers directly. Since 27 is larger than 25, 27 to the 12th power is a greater value. Therefore, 3 to the 36th power is larger than 5 to the 24th power.